Hi guys, how are you doing? My name is Lisa Chi from Manchester in UK. My background is that I'm from a family of foodies, where my grandmother started her first restaurant in Middleton, Manchester. My background is that we've opened quite a few food businesses, and one of them was a restaurant in Manchester where we built it from scratch in 4 weeks. It was one of the most stressful times of my life, but one of the most rewarding at the same time. We actually ended up going on a competition, a cooking competition, with Gordon Ramsay, you know, the guy that swears a lot. And that was pretty nerve-wracking. And we competed with 10,000 restaurants to win the accolade, Britain's best local Chinese restaurant. And ever since that experience, my life in food has gone to the next level. I also manufacture sauces. They look a bit like that. And we've exported them to 10 countries as well. So we've learned how to do a retail business with food. And that was a very steep learning curve, but very enjoyable at the same time, meeting a different type of clientele. And I believe that combined with all that as well, reading recipes, writing recipes, and also testing recipes, I've written 3 cookbooks with my sister, which were Times bestsellers, and they look a bit like that. And it's been an amazing, food journey for myself. But I'm now on to the next chapter of my life because I'm expecting a little baby in October. And since being pregnant, I've been eating and focusing on healthy eating. And I've noticed the massive difference in my energy, in my mental health, and also in my relationships as well, which led me to create the thing called the Responsible Life. So what it is a 28-day healthy eating plan specifically for families of up to 4 and above. So it's mom, dad and 2 kiddos, where it won't break the bank. And I do feel that, when you go supermarket shopping, you get distracted with all the processed foods, all the snacks, all the cookies, all the cakes, the package, all the fancy packaging. And if you strip it all back and go back to basics where you cook wholesome, healthy food for breakfast, lunch and dinner, rather than you go out and grab a KFC or, those sort of fast food joints, you will see the consequences of eating healthier. And I believe that by eating healthy for 28 days, not only will that improve your health overall, but it will improve your mindset, your energy, your skin will be glowing, your mental health as well, your relationships. But not only that, you're going to save money as well, which is fantastic. So I'm going to teach you step by step how to make these recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner. Imagine me in your kitchen holding your hand what to do. And I'm going to make sure the recipes are going to be within 30 minutes, guaranteed, because at the end of the day, no one has time to slave over the kitchen and clean the kitchen as well. So that's my intro. I look forward to learning more about how to do videos and storytelling and cooking and videoing at the same time, cooking and filming at the same time, So thanks.